agricultural implements here, all on sale at the auction here. Trailers here, corn trailers, 2 modern tractors and a forager there. Matty Fagden here and a Ford New Holland there. With hay turner there, mowers, various items here. This well attended, busy auction. Usually takes place about twice a year. Even got an old seed drill here, as well as other implements. A mower there. Petrol cans there, tough jerry cans. Like a seed drill here. Vintage seed drill here. Chain harrow there. Just look at this here though. See, it goes down through there. You can't quite see it because of the light, but see, it's pushed into the soil. Goes down through. You put all the seed in, then goes right down through to the bottom, pressed into the soil. Sheep or animal there of some description, although not too big, a roller there. Large farm machinery sale here by Lodge and Thomas.